filling their cups, the power of meaningful one-on-one time with your child. Welcome to the Parenting Nest. At the Parenting Nest, we believe in the power of intentional moments. Here is why carving out one-on-one time matters and how to make it happen even with a packed schedule. In the hustle of our daily life, school runs, work deadlines, chores, it is easy for quality time with our children to get buried under our to-do list. But in the heart of every child is a quiet desire. See me, hear me, know me. Here on the Parenting Nest, we are going to break it down and give you insights on how to create quality time with your child. Why it matters. Why does it matter that you have to sit with your child? Let's check number one. Build trust and connection. Children thrives on connection. When you sit with your child, just the two of you, it tells them that they matter. This nurtures their self-esteem and deepens your bond. Just try to create that bond with your child. It helps them believe that they truly matter to you, that they are not just that they are not a liability to your existence. Number two, open the door to communication. Kids are more likely to open up about their feelings, fear, or even just their day when they feel safe and seen. This one-on-one space become a sacred ground for honest conversations. You see, when you sit with your child and you have these heart-to-heart conversations with them, it gives them rooms to open up to you, to tell you their day-to-day activities, what happens at their kindergarten, what happens while they were in school, the new friends they made, things like that. It gives them room to chit-chat with you. You get to know your child more, and that is that. Number three, cops misbehavior. Many acting out behaviors are simply cries for attention. Proactive, positive time together reduces the need for these negative attention-seeking behaviors. You see, sometimes when children act out of character, sometimes what they need is just a one-on-one time with their parents, with at least one of the parents. Just have a one-on-one time with your child, and you see most of these behaviors that you don't like them acting up on, you tend to get to understand why those behaviors comes up and how to curb them. Now let's talk about easy ways to spend one-on-one time with your child. Morning moments. A 10-minute cuddle and chat before the day begins can set a beautiful tone. When you wake up in the morning, baby, good morning, how are you, how was your night? Those moments actually create a lasting memory for their morning, or let's just say for their day. Then bedtime rituals. Use bedtime for storytelling, gratitude journaling, or quiet conversations. Those bedtime stories, cuddling them to bed, petting them to bed, singing them lullabies. You are creating memories with your child. Mini dates. Take one child out for ice cream or a walk in the park while someone else's watches the other. When you have like a toddler, or let's say you have an adolescent, like a teenager that is just coming up, and you want to get to know your child more, take such child on a date. The child will tend to open up on bottled up feelings. Whatever is happening to them, it makes them come out to you. You understand? So now, tech-free checks in. No phones, no distractions, just you and your child, maybe over dinner or a drive. As we all know, technology has taken over most of our time. We tend to we tend to fill in our space with technology for our children. We feel when we give them tabs and phones, the space in which we have to fill as parents will be filled with those gadgets. Meanwhile, it is actually creating more space between us. So let's try and take away technology for a moment and have a chit chat with our word. Now remember, it doesn't have to be long. elaborate or expensive. Even 15 minutes a day can refill their emotional tank. It's about presence, not perfection. You don't have to spend the whole day. Just a little moment of your time can fulfill their day. Just like when you wake up in the morning, have a chat with your child. What do you have to do today? What are your schedule for school today? Have you packed your bags? Have you taken your lunch? What are the activities for today? Or maybe when they come back from school and you tend to sit them down. What did you do at school today? How was school today? What did you learn? Can we revise what you have learned? Those moments can actually create a lasting bond between your child. In fact, it's a memory that they will cherish for the rest of their lives. So, dear parents, for your next challenge this week, schedule one-on-one time with each child. Let them choose the activity and show up with your full heart and watch the magic unfold. Here on the Parenting Nest, we tend to put parents through on how to go about the child's. Sometimes during our day-to-day activities, we tend to get lost and forget that we are parents that actually need to be present in the life of our children. Thank you for staying tuned to this time. If you enjoyed this particular episode, please like, subscribe, share, and also give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next one. This is the Parenting Nest.